In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Firefox unable to find the site error. If you're trying to visit a website in Firefox and you receive an unable to find the site error, don't worry. This problem is usually related to network settings, DNS issues, browser configuration, or temporary connection problems. Fortunately, there are several simple checks you can perform that may help resolve the issue and get websites loading normally again. To begin, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try opening another website or using a different application that requires internet access. If nothing is loading, the issue may be related to your network connection rather than Firefox itself. If your internet connection appears to be working, the next step is to restart Firefox and try accessing the website again. Temporary browser glitches can sometimes prevent websites from loading correctly, and a quick restart may resolve the problem. You should also verify that the website address has been entered correctly. Even a small typing mistake in the URL can cause Firefox to display an error indicating that it cannot find the site. Next, open Firefox and click the menu button in the upper right corner of the browser window. Select Settings and use the search box to search for Network Settings. Scroll down until you find the Network Settings section and click Settings. Inside the Network Settings window, review your connection configuration. If a proxy server is enabled and you're not intentionally using one, try selecting No Proxy and then click OK. Incorrect proxy settings can sometimes prevent Firefox from locating websites properly. Another common cause of this error is a DNS issue. Windows stores DNS information temporarily to help websites load faster, but sometimes this cache can become outdated. Opening Command Prompt as an administrator and flushing the DNS cache can often resolve website lookup problems. You can also try restarting your router or modem if the issue affects multiple websites. This refreshes your network connection and may resolve temporary communication issues between your device and your internet provider. If the problem is limited to a specific website, it's possible that the site is temporarily unavailable or experiencing technical difficulties. In that case, waiting a few minutes and trying again may be all that's needed. After completing these checks, return to Firefox and try loading the website once more. In many cases, correcting network settings, clearing DNS information, or resolving connection issues will fix the error and restore normal browsing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,